This is just a paperweight. I cut this 5 out with a torch and grinded it up so it's smooth. We got 3 pipes here going up, raising the bar. You can put pencils in there, or screwdrivers. Sweet. This is a little piece of rebar with some nice fat welds. That sucker's not coming off there. And you kind of got a little like tray here that you could put paper clips or a soldering iron tip in. And of course the 5 is just welded, and these pipes are mainly welded to the piece, not so much welded together at all. Why a 5? Just because. So it's a fancy paperweight or desk thing.